Hey guys, Ben Bloomley with Seaport Real Estate and welcome to 314 West 38th. 2-bed, 1-bath, completely renovated bungalow in the heart of the Starland District. And I mean renovated, I mean everything. New, everything is new. Come on inside, check this out. Heart pine flooring all throughout, 12-foot ceilings, and again, everything is new. And when you come through this, another little tip, everything goes with the house. Fully furnished, every room, every piece of furniture. So come take a look, I know you won't be disappointed. All right, so you saw the interior. Now you get a look at the backyard, private, courtyard in the rear. Beyond the fence, you could add a couple additional parking spots, but you do have parking in the front. So I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, everything in this 1,800-year-old bungalow is all new, all redone, and it's fully furnished. So give us a call and we'll see you soon.